Yo, hello my people, welcome to this channel. This is B-Footies. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. I greet you. If you are just viewing for the first time, this is the platform whereby you show you how to make sure that you yourself you can try something now on your own. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification, don't forget to share as well. Yeah, like I said, I have a Telegram channel whereby I show I post some videos and tips on shoe and the likes on the platform. The link is below the video, so don't forget to click on it. So let's get down to business. Yeah, as we all know, the first step in shoemaking, whereby you place your pattern on your material and you draw out the design you're making, you mark out and you cut out the design you're making. Same thing is being done here as well. We have a quarter area already, we have a vamp area being cut out already, so also our quarter area, the area we are joining together. And there is a little bit difference between this shoe, a derby shoe, and a lace up shoe, a Brooks shoe. Here we have our lining already. It's still the same lining with a Brooks shoe, but the fixing it's kind of different. It's kind of different a little bit. So we have our lining. We lining our vamp area. Here is the difference I'm talking about. When it comes to a Brooks shoe, you have to cut out the lining separately. The vamp lining, you have to cut it out separately. But when it comes to a derby shoe, reverse is the case. We're lining it straight up. Even after cutting out, the next thing is for you to line in the vamp area. Just go and lining it, and after lining you sew. Okay, so we have the quarter area here. We are joining the quarter area. As you can see, we join the quarter area, we apply gum to it, we fix the counter area alongside with it. Yeah, like I said, I have a Telegram channel whereby I post video tips and pictures of shoes and the likes. And also, if I have a distress sale, a fast pickup sale, I can put it on the platform. So the link is below the video. You can click on it to join. So let's get down to business. Okay, like I said, we are going to sew. After lining, after cutting out the vamp area on our leather, we line it straight up. And after lining, we trim it out. As you can see what we are doing, we are trimming out here. So after trimming out, we move to the next step, because everything about shoe business, everything about shoemaking is step by step procedure. So let's see what we have here. Yeah, like I said, we have our quarter area being joined together. Our quarter area is being joined together, and we have our counter area. As you can see, the gum is already being applied on it. And yeah, okay, we join it together. We join the counter area alongside with the quarter area, and here we have it. So the quarter area itself takes it serves as the leather, the part that holds the shoe together. You see what I'm talking about, whereby when it comes to punching, to apply our lace up, so the counter area is responsible for that. Okay, so we applied our front stay already, our back stay rather, pardon me for that. We applied our back stay on it. As you can see, we applied our back stay on it, and after fixing and sewing the counter area, we fixed it and we sew. as you can see, it's just more or less like a Brooks design as well, but the difference is just that you have to, and there is a little bit difference when it comes to fixing the lace up. It's kind of different, because okay, we see as we go on with the video. So here we are fixing our cutter lining. As you can see, we are trying to fix it. You place it at the middle, and you lay it on your leather, on your material, and you join, fix it together. So and always make sure the lining is not the lining is above the leather, so that when you sew, you will be able to trim after sewing. So that is how it is done. You really don't need to bother about the down part of the cutter area, because you are going to last your shoe, and that place is going to enter the bottom of the shoe, down part of the shoe. So let's see what we have next. Yeah, like I said, we are going to sew. Here we are sewing our cutter area alongside with the lining we joined together. So after sewing, we trim it out, and we move on to the next thing, which is the piercing area. Let's see what we have next. Yeah, we are piercing our shoe. As you can see, we are making hole on our shoe on the quarter area, so that we are going to so that we will be able to apply our lace on it. So that's how it is being done. We have our pattern again, just to be able to fix know where we are going to punch. That's why we have to bring out our pattern again and place it on the leather, so that we won't make mistake. We make a straight and yeah, a straight hole. Okay, yeah, as you can see, we are joining our learning alongside with uh our culture area, alongside with the vamp area. We are joining the two together. If you've been following my video, the difference between this and a build shoe is that if you've been following a build shoe, you will always need to lace the shoe before joining it alongside with the vamp area. If you've been following, that's how it is done. That's why I said it has a slight difference. It's kind of different from a broke shoe. You fix the quarter area alongside with the vamp before applying your lace. But reverse is the case when it comes to a broke shoe, whereby you have to lace up your quarter area before applying, before joining it together with the vamp area. So here we have it. After fixing, we sew. After joining the vamp area alongside with the quarter area, here we have it. We sew. After sewing, we trim, and we move on to the next step, to the next stage. Let's see what we have next. Yeah, we all know, as you can see, we have our insole being prepared already. If you are just viewing for the first time, there is a video where I showed how to make, I make a video on how you can build your insole, how to make your insole. So here is the lasting stage, here is the lasting process of how you can last your debut shoe. Yeah, it's really nothing serious anyways, but this is a sensitive leather, which is a wet loose, a patent leather, whereby you need to be very careful when lasting so that you don't have a wrinkle and it will be smooth and clean. You give a clean job. So yeah, this is our lasting. As you can see, we already applied our lace already. There is a video on that as well. We already applied our lace already, and yeah, here we have our lasting stage, our lasting area. There we are done with lasting. We applied our front stay already, which is necessary for all shoes. So here we have it. We apply gum on the sole, and here we have our results. This is our shoe before cleaning, and here we have it after cleaning. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel as well. See you guys next time. Shalom.